Hello friends, in this video we are gonna see how token cancellation works. So I'm gonna quickly start on it and we'll cover some of the concepts over here. So let's first check cancellation token source variable and cancellation token source. So it lies under system.threading. You can inject it by pressing control dot and it will give you the options. And let's take a token which is inside this cancellation token source. So it's already giving me IntelliSense to add a token. Okay, now let's create a thread which is gonna utilize this token and will stop once a cancellation is requested. So let's create a task and it is under system.threading.task and let's create oops okay. So this we have created a task, and what this task gonna do is it's gonna increment integer variable. Okay, and gonna run in a while which is gonna run infinitely, and we are gonna print this integer variable. Okay, and let's increment it. Okay, now we want to cancel this task once someone has requested for a cancellation. So we need to pass this thread a token that we have created, and we'll check within this while loop that whether this token was requested or not, right? So is cancellation requested? Once it is requested, we're gonna break through this. So at what point we're gonna trigger this? Whenever a user will enter a key, right? On that we are gonna cancel this. So to cancel it, we're gonna make use of CTS and it will call cancel, and at the end we let's print out the program related details like program has been shut down. Perfect. So this program is gonna run infinitely and keep incrementing the integer, and once the user enters any key, this cancellation will be called and it will come out of this thread. So let's try and execute it. So it is incrementing infinitely, and let's press any key. So yes, as soon as you have pressed it key, the program has been shut down. Now we want to know the when program has been shut down, or we need a message on whenever this cancellation is requested. So we need to register this token for that as well, right? Let's say token dot register, right? It's gonna take an anonymous method, and this let's print out something like token was cancelled. Okay, let's put some exclamatories. Shocking. Okay, so now let's run it again. Now it is again running infinitely, and let's press any key. Great. Now token was cancelled is been printed up. Okay, so this is the way that we can identify that whether token was cancelled or not. Now let's say you have a thread and there are like multiple tokens, and you want your thread to be stopped as soon as cancellation is requested to any of those tokens. So let me show you with the example. Let me create another token which is gonna say emergency. Okay, I'm gonna create it in the same way. Okay, and let's check its variable. Perfect. And so this is the emergency dot token. Now if either CTS is cancelled out or emergency is cancelled, I want my this lower thread to be stopped. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take a token unit which is gonna link all those tokens that are available. So for that I'm gonna make use of cancellation token source dot create link token source, and in that I'm gonna pass my all the tokens. So perfect, right? So this is the unit token for the cancellation token source, which is gonna invoked as soon as any of the operations are performed out, either this or either this emergency token. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pass this unit token and Perfect. And I'm gonna check for the cancellation over here, right? So I think now this is fine. Now let's say I want let's say your emergencies is requested to be cancelled. Now let's say emergency dot cancel. Okay. So on calling this emergency, your unit token should be triggered out. Now to identify whether this was triggered or not, you're gonna use this. Okay. So this is your whole code for a linked token source. Now I'm gonna press over here any key. As you can see, token was cancelled and program has been shut down. So this was all about cancellation about token source. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and if you guys like this video, do give a thumbs up.